Today in class we're going to begin the ICR unit, which is interpersonal communication and relationships. We're going to cover the first content objective, and that is 1.1. And simply the objective and the content for 1.1 is learning what empathy is. And of course, empathy is not really like one definition. It follows kind of many different roles. Empathy covers like a broad spectrum of things, like considering that you have concern for other people and a desire to help them, relating to how they feel, matching their emotions, knowing how to react to the person when they are going through things with kindness, with calmness, and being able to help respond to them. So of course, empathy simply means being able to respond and to relate to others. It's not necessarily sympathy. Sympathy is feeling sorry for someone, so feeling sorrow for someone would be sympathy, but empathy is being able to understand and to relate and to try to be a good person, to be there for that person and give them advice on how to handle the situation to make it a healthy situation. So that's all the content. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the instructions for the quiz in this video. The ICR 1.1 quiz says to read each situation and statement and explain in a complete sentence how you would respond to the person using empathy if they were talking to you about their problem. So question 1 is, I would really like to lose 25 pounds. I hate when our friends tease me. So how would you respond to that with using empathy? You could, like I said, for example, you could say, I would like, you look great, but you know, if you would like to lose weight, maybe we could go on a diet together, to make changes together, to make healthy changes together, and exercise together, to do this together. So all you have to do is do that for all, there's 10 of them, just do it for all 10 of them and turn this quiz in. If you have any questions, of course, just let me know.